What's up you guys, my name is Chynna. So you guys already know how much I love Disney. I'm introducing a series where I quickly talk about some major Disney news and events, all compacted into one video every week. Now, I'm not a professional journalist, nor am I aspiring to be. Let's keep that to the professionals. But what I hope to accomplish is that I make it easier for Disney fans to capture some headlines on what you may have missed this past week, because we all know how crazy life can be. Well, I hope you guys like this video. Now on to spilling the Disney tea. So this past week, Orange County government officials have called on Governor Newsom to reopen the theme parks. That includes both Disneyland and Knott's Berry Farm. The Anaheim mayor had stressed that it's a disaster right here and had even questioned how much longer will the parks be closed. The Wonderground Gallery at downtown Disney has been replaced with a Star Wars store called Star Wars Trading Post. I was pretty bummed out at first when I heard that news because I have purchased a few art pieces from there, but one of my friends had actually pointed out that Disney does still sell art pieces in select shops in each of the parks. So both at Disneyland and Disney California Adventure. But at the end of the day, I hate to admit, but it does make sense to open up a Star Wars store there. It will definitely make more profit because of its huge fan base. So speaking of Star Wars, what also dropped on September 15th was that Disney had released the new Mandalorian Season 2 trailer, which is set to release on Disney Plus on October 30th. On to other news, D23, the official Disney fan club, had begun inviting fans to enter their Halloween Masquerade costume contest, which will be held virtually for the first time, and fans will enter for a chance to win Disney gift cards. The grand prize winner will receive a $500 Disney gift card, the first runner-up will receive a $250 Disney gift card, and the second runner-up will receive a $100 Disney gift card. They are accepting entries between September 17th and October 1st. And lastly, according to Attractions magazine, Tokyo Disneyland announced that their newest attraction, Enchanted Tale of Beauty and the Beast, will set to open on September 28th. Alright, and that is it for this week's Disney news. I tried to keep it short and sweet, so I hope you guys like this video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to stay up to date with all the Disney news, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. But until then, I will see you guys next week. Bye!